Hi guys, how you doing? I'm not sure if you remember this, but then I showed it in my last videos, couple of videos that I made a while back. This combi had a hole at the front. I think it was they put a radiator in here, so I put a radiator at the back. So this is I just put something. I'm not a fan of putting a radiator in the front because the combi will look somehow, it looks beautiful like this. So for now, I was busy with the party or a body filler, putting it on this because it's not that fine here. So if you put body filler, it will be alright. Also here. So it had this big hole. Didn't look nice. I'm not sure if you remember it, but then check my last videos. You'll see how it looked. I put something on there, but then I didn't quite like it. This one is alright. I think it would look very, very nice. Plus it has that line there. So yeah. So I'm just gonna be busy with it. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna continue putting body filler on it or putty on it. I think so far it looks okay. I'm just gonna sand it, wait for it to dry. As soon as it dries, and then I'm gonna sand it, and then I'm gonna paint it. Or I can leave it like this, but I want to paint it. But so far the thing that we're just gonna do is just because it has some rough edges, so we're just gonna make sure that it looks nice and flat. It's gonna do like that like this. The other side also like that, because it's not flat. But then with time, just gonna continue doing it, and then I think it will be okay. And finally got the engine in on this combi. The engine is in. Been busy with it the whole day, but I finally this in. I don't like how the exhaust look. I think I'm gonna cut them, put a single exhaust. Maybe it will come this side. It will come this side, or it will go that side. Let me open here. You can see the engine. So the engine is in. It's a 2-liter CU air-cooled engine. So finally I'm going to drive this combi. Been busy with this one. I wonder if I could put in party on it or body filler. Been driving this one. It drives nice. Drives okay. Come on, drives okay. Drives nice. So this one is next. I think in the couple of coming days I'm going to be driving it. Just need to tweak the carburetors. The carburetors, they're not okay. They're consuming a lot of petrol as soon as I'm done with them. So yeah, but then it moves, it drives as I haven't driven it, but then yeah. So I'm just gonna continue with this one, putting a patty on it, flattening it with sandpaper, and then yeah, I think that's it. And don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye.